This seafood fried noodles is surprisingly great on board Garuda Indonesia. Unbox Marhaba Lounge at Changi T3, fly Garuda Indonesia 737-800, onboard economy extra legroom seat, amazing hot meal on 2 hours journey.
Hi, I'm Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Welcome to Singapore. What comes to mind when you hear about Singapore? In the aviation world, Changi Airport was nominated #1 airport in 2023, but has been taken over by Hamad International Airport in 2024. However, it is still good enough to explore. Today, I'm flying Garuda Indonesia GA833 to Jakarta before we dive into the details. As always, let me share how I got here. Previously, I was on board Philippine Airlines A321 business class from Manila, visited their home-based flagship Marhaba Lounge, and experienced Filipino hospitalities in the air. For the full report, check the link below. Back at Singapore Changi Airport Terminal 3, this massive airport is filled with natural light and comfortable indoor air conditioning. To be frank, although Singapore is a small country, they excel at managing public spaces with vast designs and relaxing ambiances like Marina Bay and this airport. Check out these auto gates. There are no custom officers or security checks for departures, so entering from landside to airside may take just 10 seconds.
So this is the lounge invitation. After immigration, there's a Louis Vuitton and the escalator.
Garuda Indonesia joins Skyteam. As an Elite Plus member, I'm entitled to enter their contract lounge, Marhaba Lounge. Let's take the escalator behind the huge Louis Vuitton store. The first impression, it's quite bright with natural lights in daytime. However, it doesn't look big for this lounge. Let's discover the buffet first. Here is the beverage bar. You probably can get all essentials here. Highlight item should be Tiger Draft beer, but it's not function today. If you want some cold drinks, don't forget to use iced glasses to chill a bit. Furthermore, here got some desserts and cold food. Choices are rather limited. On the other side, fruits are available. And how about the hot dishes? Let's check it out. With total 5 options only, it won't consider lavish, but enough to make you full. My personal suggestion, at landside, there are quite many good restaurants if you'd like to enjoy the authentic local flavor before departure. Shower facilities do the job. If you'd like to use it, don't forget to book in advance. It's not something luxurious, but functioning as it should be. In general, this lounge delivered standard seatings and lounge buffet. It is a place for an hour-short break before boarding. Let's walk further in this airport. There's a Louis Vuitton gallery open to the public. Now let's head to the gate and pass the massive shopping area, while enjoying the traveling vibes. This vending machine is very cool. It can even serve hot meals. Before we get on board,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Finally, we are approaching gate A18. We need to pass security first and enter the waiting area. That's why there's no security when entering the airside. There aren't many stores and entertainment options after the security, so it's not necessary to come early since we can just sit and wait. Changi Airport is well maintained and efficient. There's even a charging station in place with USB and USB-C options. I recommend connecting USB-C as it can reach up to 18 watts, while USB is only 7.5 watts. This is our aircraft today. Garuda Indonesia 737-800. This is my first time flying Garuda Indonesia for a 2-hour journey. Upgrading to business class costs USD 200, which I don't think is worth it. However, I'm still looking forward to the onboard meal. The economy class seat has a 3-3 configuration. I was lucky to be assigned the bulkhead seat with extra legroom. It also has an adjustable headrest. This is a short 2-hour journey with a preloaded pillow. The only function item is the recline button. Here got a standard economy class foldable table. The entertainment system is located up front, but mine is currently under maintenance. The economy class headset, don't expect much. Even though there are no more COVID concerns, they still provide sanitization kits with a mask and hand sanitizer gel. Pretty kind. There's overhead lighting control only. It's time for the most important section. Unbox the meal today. The main course is seafood fried noodles with bread, an unknown cold appetizer. Dessert is a Kit Kat and a cup of hot coffee. The fried noodles were very tasty. Good job, Garuda Indonesia. Luckily, for such a short journey, I can enjoy the hot meal, even without the entertainment system. However, considering the 737-800 is an older type, and the maintenance still has rooms to catch up. Welcome to Jakarta, Indonesia. There are more videos regarding the hotels and airport lounges in this great city for you. In my next video, I will fly Cathay Pacific in business class to Hong Kong via A330-300. We'll experience the contract business class lounge, Plaza Premium Lounge in Jakarta Airport Terminal 3, and enjoy the lie-flat seating and outstanding Hong Kong food in the air.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.